Now, there is this very funny page on Tumblr. It's Rory Williams jokes. Want to hear them? Here they are. Ready, set, go. Voldemort is afraid to speak the name of Rory Williams. Rory Williams cleans bedpans by scaring the crap out of them. TARDIS now stands for time in Rory's dimensions in space. Death once had a near Rory experience. A Dalek begged River Song for mercy because she knew who its father was. River Song granted the Dalek mercy by shooting it in its eye instead of calling her father. Superman wears Rory Williams' underwear. Daleks aim for the R6. On arms, back of the neck. Rory Williams, run, just run. The universe tried to erase Rory once. It exploded. Rory counted to infinity. Twice. Rory Williams is here, Dick. He kisses his wife with a kiss, and he doesn't see his wife. Rory Williams once got in a staring contest with a weeping angel, and won. Rory uses the Vesha Narada as shade. Rory turned out the lights. Chuck Norris wants to be a nurse. Rory Williams shot his fiancée. She still married him. Rory Williams is the reason why Daleks learned to climb stairs. Every single human being who's ever entered the TARDIS for the first time was immediately disoriented, perplexed, and complicated, except for Rory Williams. That which does not kill Rory Williams also makes him stronger. In addition, that which does kill Rory Williams also makes him stronger. Rory Williams once punched the 11th Doctor. The first Doctor felt it. The Silence wish they could forget seeing Rory Williams. They built a Pandorica to hold the Doctor because trying to hold Rory Williams would be plain stupid. Those are my Rory Williams jokes I got off this website.